Hello students. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of solvents, solutes, and solutions. First, let's talk about what a solvent is. A solvent is a substance that has the ability to dissolve other substances. Most of the time, solvents are liquids, but they can also be gases or even solids. When a solvent does its job, it breaks apart the particles of another substance, which we call a solute, and surrounds them to create something new, a solution. Some common examples of solvents you might have heard of are water, alcohol, and acetone. Now, let's move on to the solute. A solute is a substance that gets dissolved by the solvent. Solutes can be in different states, solid, liquid, or gas. When you mix a solute with a solvent, the solute breaks down into tiny particles and spreads out evenly within the solvent. For instance, think about sugar dissolving in water or salt in soup. These are great examples of solutes at work. When you combine a solute with a solvent, you get a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture, which means it looks the same throughout. In a solution, the particles are so evenly distributed that you can't separate them easily, not even by filtering. Some everyday examples of solutions include salt water, soda, or even the air we breathe. One of the most important solvents in our world is water. It's often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve so many different substances. This ability comes from its special molecular structure, which allows it to interact with and dissolve things like sugar and salt. Water's role as a solvent is crucial for life. It helps our bodies carry nutrients and get rid of waste. However, not everything dissolves in water. Substances like oil and plastic don't mix well with it. Now, let's talk about solubility. Solubility refers to how well a substance can dissolve in another substance. This can change depending on factors like temperature. Usually, the higher the temperature, the more a solute can dissolve. A good rule to remember is, like dissolves like, meaning substances that are similar in structure tend to mix well together. We can also classify solutions based on their solubility. An unsaturated solution is one that can still dissolve more solute. When a solution reaches the point where it can't dissolve any more solute at a given temperature, it's called a saturated solution. If you manage to add even more solute by heating the solution, you create a supersaturated solution. But be careful, because these are unstable and the extra solute can easily come out of the solution. So, the next time you enjoy a refreshing glass of lemonade or a fizzy soda, remember, you're experiencing these scientific concepts in action. And here's a question for you to think about. What do we call the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a certain amount of solvent? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.